Bitcoin has moved exactly as predicted, and currently we're standing at 78.8K, and we have swept around 75K, maybe 76K. So, right now, what's going to happen? Bitcoin has seen a nice drop to the downside as expected. In my previous video, I said this LTF signal is concerning. So I was out of my long positions and I was just in a no trade zone. I'm still in a no trade zone here, as you guys can see. I have like 7K in the account. I don't have any position right now. Took some money out, but right here I have like 7K, 6.9K, and I was in no trade at all because I was not um convinced to take any trade. So anyway, what could potentially happen in the upcoming few days and weeks? Let's just talk about that. Right here, we can see that we have a liquidity level right around this low, and I expect Bitcoin to hit this level and see a reaction and then push to the upside. Not this high, but yeah, some kind of a reversal for short term is gonna come like this. Probably back to like 87, 88K, and then we go back down. But the thing is, right here, there's some more things to consider that Bitcoin has broken its 100-week SMA. I'm just gonna show it you right now, but yeah, this is CryptoMorv, and welcome to another video of Bitcoin LTF update. And let's get straight into it, right? That was just my intro. Anyway, let's see the SMA. We have to see the 100-week. So right here you can see we have broken below. We're broken down from the 100-week SMA, and this is bearish. And also, if you get another one, which is the 50-week, my bad, this is not a premium account, but yeah. All right. So we need a 50-week here. So we got close to 50-week. We didn't tap 50-week, but we fell down before we even got to 50-week. But the thing is, we have dropped below the 100-week SMA. So most likely, we're coming to 200-week. It's just some HTF view. So most likely, the next target is the 200-week SMA. So right here, since Bitcoin has broken below this level, I would say a counter trend rally, a nice counter trend, a fast impulse counter trend rally can occur. Right here, I expect Bitcoin to sweep this low. If you see some kind of a reaction, then good. If not, then I would say just wait a little while for Bitcoin to sweep this low from here. And then we have to see some kind of a reaction. And Bitcoin has no strength right here. We need to sweep some liquidity in the higher time frame view, and then we can see some push to the upside finally. So I would say just watch out for reaction at the lows. First, we have to see if Bitcoin sees a drop to like 74K. Wait a sec, guys. And then we have to my bad. We have to see some kind of a reaction to the upside just in the low term time frame. For example, 4 hour. Hold up, what just happened? Yeah. So in the low term time frame, we have to see my bad. We have to see some kind of a reversal like this, and then we will just open a long position here to target higher, some kind of um, reaction like this. Just go down, sweep the liquidity, and see a push to the upside. See a little bouncing right here. Then we're good to go. Anyway, the thing is, Bitcoin has broken below the 50-week, 100-week SMA. That is the evidence that Bitcoin is going to Bitcoin is going to like um go for its bear market target, which is the 50k, 45k. We will talk about it in a video later on, but yeah, there's nothing to show in the LTF. By the way, Bitcoin has closed its CME at 84.1k, and currently Bitcoin is at 78.7k. So this is kind of weird because we dumped on a Saturday and we have CME above us. And the thing is, big CME gaps like this don't tend to get filled for a long time. Right here, you can see uh, here it was like 77 to 80k. We had a $3,000 gap, and this gap was filled after like 3 months, maybe 3 or 4 months. So it took a while, and I'm not gonna trade the CME gap filling idea. I'm just gonna wait until Bitcoin sweeps this low, actually sweeps this low, and then just like take a counter trend trade. That should be risky, but yeah, probably is the best long trade in the bear market. And I hope you guys are, I hope you guys are like convinced that this is a bear market. I've been talking about for a while now. Like I was talking about it from last November that we have topped in October, and yeah, this is just crazy that some people does not want to like get convinced that this is a bear market, and they just married to the idea that the big Bitcoin has to go up because the old coin because the old coin season didn't happen. But for Bitcoin to top out, for Bitcoin to end the bull rally, all season does not need to happen. All right. So my voice is breaking. So right here, uh, I have like almost 7k, and I'm waiting for Bitcoin to do something, do like sweep the low at least from 74.6k, and then I'm just gonna take some position. Actually, I'm gonna put some limit order at um, what price? 74.6k, a $15,000 trade. I'm gonna keep it this way. Just a little bit position right here for like for example, just targeting the CME is enough, right? The stop loss should be a little bit below 70k. That should be a good trade, right? So yeah, right here you can see. My bad, guys. I got a really bad cold and I was sick for the last 2 days. That's why there was no video in my channel. But yeah, let's see the liquidation map here. We can see the entire long side liquidation is dried up. Let me show you one more thing after this. But yeah, we have biggest in the upside and we have literally almost nothing in the downside. And there's another thing in the past 24 hours we have wrecked like 2.42 billion of longs and 162 million shorts. This is a big number. This ratio is like illegal, bro. Yeah. So this is quite tough for people. All right. So right here we are seeing lower low and also lower low in the CVD, which suggests that selling pressure is making Bitcoin go down. You know, sellers are in control. So yeah, this is quite concerning. That for the bulls, I'm not a bull. I just trade what we have, right? I don't trade like uh only one idea. If it's bullish, then bullish. If it's bearish, then bearish. You know. So yeah, that's basically it for the day, and I will take a trade. I already marked the position at 74.6k, open a long here, and just keep the TP around the CME gap. Probably we go lower, but yeah, some kind of risk should be taken around this area. So if you want to join our free VIP Discord group where I trade real time with you guys, you can definitely check out the link in the description. You'll find some kind of a page like this. If you go to the link, just sign up on this account, sign up on this page, create an account, and you're good to go to join our free VIP Discord here, CryptoMorv Premium. You don't have to pay me any money. Just open a BTC account using my referral link, send the UID, just trade as you already do, and you're good to go. You're good to join our free VIP Discord Premium. So yeah, just make sure you check the link in the description. Go ahead and join our Discord. I would love to see you guys there, and I will be trading live there with you guys. So it would be much easier to you to find me trading real time. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you manage your risk. Peace.